some salmon on the stove top. I'm going to be adding some butter and some lime juice. And I'm going to be making a real tasty dish. The first thing you do, you have your salmon. You wash your salmon with some lime juice or lemon, whatever you want to do. You dry it off with a piece of paper towel or some sort of kitchen towel. You dry it. You make it dry and nice, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. This is how you season, and this is the basic seasoning for all meats and fishes. Right? You put some black pepper. And you put a sprinkle of salt. Flip it over. Not too much salt, okay? So because you don't want too much salt in your fish. And I'm going to be using some pepper. And I'm going to fry this down for at least 5 minutes. So I'm going to put some oil in this frying pan. It's about 3 tablespoons of oil. And you gently press it. And you want this to cook on each side for at least 4 minutes. After 5 minutes, you want to flip the salmon. Look at that nice golden color it has there. Look at the nice color. And you let it cook on this side for an additional 5 minutes before I make the sauce for the fish. So after 5 minutes on the other side, this is what it looks like. And you're going to take the fish out. Beautiful, beautiful salmon. I just love salmon. Such a tasty fish. And all the seasonings well absorbed. So we're going to make a sauce for this now. Great looking fish. You want to keep the oil because in all the flavors from the fish is in this pot right now. So what I do in 1 stick of butter, you're going to melt 1 stick of butter into the oil that you fry the fish in. You sort of toss it around. Until it is totally dissolved. You want all the remnants of the fish added to the sauce. Really lovely flavors coming from Andrea's Trini Kitchen today. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome aboard to your girl Andrea's Trini Show. We have great recipes come your way on a regular basis. Like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any new video your girl Andrea has put up. So now that this has been dissolved, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the extract of the juice from 2 limes. This will bring a really nice flavor to the fish. Simply great cooking in Andrea's Trini Kitchen today. Make sure you extract the juice. So now that you have the juice of 2 limes extracted, you give it a toss again. And let it cook for about 5 minutes. While it's cooking, I'm going to add the zest of 1 lime into this pot. And I'm going to put some oregano. as I said, let that cook down for 5 minutes and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to take the butter, lemon sauce, great looking fish. You guys try this out. Look at that gloss. Look at that nice gloss. Look at that gloss. Oh my goodness. Wow. Great. And I'm going to garnish it with some lime slices. And just throw in a couple baby angel tomatoes. So this is the end product of my salmon in butter and lime juice. So see you again with another great video. This is the girl Andrea saying, be safe out there. Be very, very safe out there. See you again.